Imagine a brilliant engineer solving a complex problem. They are spinning with intense energy, but they are doing it entirely in the dark. When a technical expert is buried deep inside a single department, their breakthroughs remain invisible to the rest of the company. Dewi Santos encountered this while leading AI transformation for a major conglomerate in Manila. Tasked with deploying AI across banking, retail, and food manufacturing, she realized her primary obstacle wasn't the code, it was the organizational chart. The structural arrangement of people and authority acts as the operating system for technology. It dictates what an organization can actually do. Dewi inherited a fragmented environment where 3 business units were attempting to navigate AI in total isolation from one another. The banking arm built isolated risk models. Retail bought forecasting tools they couldn't configure. Manufacturing just watched. To fix this, organizations route requests through a single centralized gatekeeper. But as demand scales, this center becomes a bottleneck. Requests pile up, and the entire AI initiative stalls out. The technical staff in the center spend their time managing intake forms and maintenance instead of engineering, leading to high turnover and stalled innovation. Because silos fragment knowledge and bottlenecks choke it, your organizational structure directly determines your speed of learning. Solving these twin failures requires a federated model. This is a structural community designed to pull every department to a shared table. At the center is the hub, often called a center of excellence, which provides the foundation for the entire enterprise. The hub manages the heavy lifting, centralized data platforms, enterprise security standards, and regulatory compliance frameworks. For this to work, the hub must operate as an enabler. If it acts as a bureaucratic gatekeeper prioritizing control over support, the structure fails. By centralizing infrastructure and security, the hub removes the friction that usually prevents business units from experimenting safely at scale. While the hub provides the tools, the spokes provide the context. These are AI practitioners who live and work inside the individual business units. Operating through matrix reporting, they remain accountable to business unit goals while connected to hub standards. This ensures staff learn the granular reality of retail or manufacturing to solve operational problems. Simultaneously, practitioners deploy models quickly because the hub provides built-in platforms. This bidirectional structure ensures that operational needs inform the center, while central resources fuel the edges. A year after Dewi implemented this structure, the conglomerate moved from isolated experiments to an integrated technical capability. Embedded practitioners in the retail unit developed a breakthrough in AI-driven demand forecasting. Under the old decentralized model, that forecasting model would have remained trapped within the retail unit servers, unknown to the rest of the group. Instead, the hub identified the success, standardized the framework, and the manufacturing arm adapted the model for their own supply chain in just 3 months. The federated structure ensures that what one person solves in the dark, the entire organization eventually uses in the light. Structural models are not static. They must evolve as an organization builds maturity and navigates changing regulations. The goal is to move away from rigid, disconnected attempts at innovation and toward a fluid learning network. While matrix frameworks and centers of excellence appear complex, they exist to give people the structural permission to learn out loud. In a landscape changing this fast, no one needs to be isolated. With the right structure, the entire organization can learn and succeed together.